Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to hide photos in the hidden album on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So to hide photos in the hidden album on iPhone, you just have to simply open your album right here. And let's just say you hide or you want to hide a specific picture right here. You just have to tap this three dots, scroll down till you see this hide option right here. Tap that one. Now, once you tap this hide icon, you will see this notification or a message that says, this photo will be hidden but can be found in the hidden album. You can choose to show or hide the hidden album in the settings. Once clear, tap on Hide Photo. So once you click this one, and then if you go back to your gallery, you will no longer see this picture or this picture will not be visible on your gallery anymore. But if you want to see this photo again, all you have to do is go to hidden album, which can be seen below here. But of course, enter your passcode to view, and then once you've entered your passcode here, then you should see that hidden picture or photo. And basically, that's it. That's how easy it is to hide photos in the hidden album on iPhone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.